Okay, so this video is going to record equipment import with multiple PM. So now I have an example. So this two lines is the same equipment. It has exactly the same company code. It's under the same company. It has exactly the same series number. It has exactly the same tag number. Uh, Based on this, we will identify these two lines as the same equipment. And then if I scroll to the right, you can see that I have two different PM and it has two different PM description, two different PM interval. Okay. And then one thing I need to notice is that it has two different PM nodes. Um, this is something I'm going to mention later is on the PM detail level, yes, they will have different PM nodes, but on the equipment level, because the equipment also have the PM nodes, this PM nodes here, it's coming from here, right? So it will always remain the last PM nodes. Okay, so, and then I have the second equipment, which has different series number, different tag number, so we can tell that this is a different equipment. Okay, and then for the second equipment, we have some PM details, the standard, annually, something like this. And the checklist is different. You can see that for the first uh, equipment, it has two different PM, and the two different PM has two different checklists, and the second equipment has the basic checklist. And I already go through the import process, which is here. And now I'm going to show you the result. First is let's take a look at equipment and see how many equipment we have imported. So in total, we have imported two equipment. This is the equipment number one. This is equipment number two, and you can see the tag is different. Both of them are assigned to contract 1511. Okay, and if you take a look, that uh, this equipment tag or this PM1 is showing the second PM nodes in the Excel, which is this one. Okay, and then let's take a look at the contract. At contract level, we can see that we have two equipment lines. The first is the first equipment, second is the second equipment, right? And let's go into the first equipment. And inside this first equipment, we can tell that we have two PM under this first equipment. Is the standard one and the second PM type, and it has different description. Take a look. This one, the checklist template is condition. This one, the checklist template is basic. Okay, and then let's go to the next contract line, which is the the second equipment. It should have only one PM detail, so we take a look at here. It only have one PM detail, and this is the Excel file. As I already mentioned, that everything for the blue, it should be exactly the same if it's the same equipment. Okay, and then after the blue one is the orange columns. This orange columns is going to define the PM detail, so it can be different for the same equipment.